This recipe makes 4 servings and takes 1 hour. Quick microwaved mini cheesecakes with a Turkish finish of kaymak, honey, and pistachio. Intro to the ingredients. 3/4 cup crushed digestive or tea biscuits, about 90 grams. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, about 45 grams. 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, about 225 grams. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, about 25 grams. 1 large egg. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 15 milliliters. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 5 milliliters. 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios, about 20 grams. 1 tablespoon honey, 15 milliliters. 2 tablespoons kaymak or clotted cream, about 30 grams. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a bowl, combine 3/4 cup crushed digestive biscuits with 3 tablespoons melted unsalted butter and mix until the crumbs are evenly moistened, about 1 minute. Divide the crumb mixture evenly into 4 4-ounce ramekins and press down firmly to form a compact crust. Chill the ramekins in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to set the crust. Beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese in a bowl until smooth, about 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons granulated sugar to the cream cheese and mix until smooth, about 30 seconds. Add 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to the bowl and mix until combined, about 20 seconds. Spoon the batter evenly into the 4 chilled crusts, filling each ramekin to about 3/4 full. Tap each ramekin gently on the counter to release any air bubbles and smooth the tops with the back of a spoon. Place 1 ramekin in the microwave and cook on medium power, 50%, for 2 minutes. Check the center, it should be slightly jiggly but not liquid. If the center is still very loose, microwave an additional 30 seconds at 50% and check again. Repeat 1 more 30-second burst if necessary until the center is just set. After cooking, let the ramekin rest in the microwave for 2 minutes, then remove carefully. Repeat the 2-minute plus check sequence for each remaining ramekin, cooking them one at a time. Remove all ramekins and let them cool to room temperature for 20 minutes before chilling. Chill the cheesecakes in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to fully set. Before serving, drizzle 1 tablespoon honey over each cheesecake, add 2 tablespoons kaymak divided among the 4, and sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios evenly. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. These microwaved mini Turkish-style cheesecakes are ready. For creamy servings topped with kaymak, honey, and pistachio. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to get notifications.